Okay, once you have got your actual course, your course actually has students in it. You can check under people. But you have been planning in your other courses. Maybe you've got a planning course somewhere else where you've got all your modules set up. Maybe you've taught this course before and you want to bring it in. Maybe it's in Commons and you want to populate this course. So let me show you how to do it. So I'll just use the planning course as an example. One method is import existing content. So if you have access to the previous course, say maybe you taught it before, you can copy a Canvas course. And then you need to know the name of that course. That's the course I want to take. And then you have the option of all content, or you can select to only bring specific things in. You should be okay to click all content and bring everything in and import. I'm not actually going to do that. I'm going to show you another way to do it. If your work is on another course that somebody has taught previous to you, and you don't have access to it, hopefully they put it on Commons, which is our next choice. If not, both Gavin and I can help you to find that course information. So I have been encouraging teachers to put their work on Commons. When you get to Commons, you can choose to share it in many different ways. You can see there's lots of results on there, so you could just grab somebody else's course from somewhere else in the world, but it's probably better if you just filter it by Catholic education, and that filters back to less than 200 results. And here, oh, there's that course. So if this course that you want has already been uploaded to Commons, you can wait and you can have a preview. You can see the details of the course as they come up. But I know this teacher and I know I want that content, so I import, download. And then I just have to choose where I'm going to put it. So for now, I think I'll put it into my planning course. Import into course. And then go and have a cup of coffee. It's going to take a little while to import, especially all this information. And then eventually you should see everything in your course. This is the message that you'll get as stuff is being imported. Once again, it will take a few minutes. If you're really impatient like me, you can tick on this and see how it's going. It doesn't take too long to do it. That's getting stuff from Commons. Blueprint courses are a little bit different. They need to be associated, so we're not worried about that. But if you're importing content into your Blueprint course, this is how you do it, either from a previous course or through Commons. In fact, I would really urge people to use Commons because Commons is used by every Canvas user across the planet. So the universities, the high schools, the colleges that are using Canvas are uploading here. So you can find complete courses, you can find modules, you can find videos, you can find quizzes, documents from all over the world that might be able to help you. The filter just helps to break it down a little bit so that you can find only the types of things you want. You can share just a module if you wanted to, if that's easier to share information. You could share by grade level. And if it's shared within Catholic education, then any of the schools that use Canvas, which is now a number of schools in CathEd, and I'm sure more to come, then that will make it available to them. You can keep it private if you want. It won't show up here, of course, and then it's just available to you, and then you've got a clean copy of that course in Commons. I know people like to do that. Literally everything is backed up in Canvas, so don't fret about that. So now you can see my course is completely populated with all of the previous teachers' work, and let me tell you, there's lots of resources in there. I'm having a good time, but the problem is my homepage reverts back to the old homepage. Whatever will I do? Here's what you do. Choose homepage. It used to be set to the syllabus, but we've learned our lesson there. Pages front page, and look, it's actually already set to the right front page. So SMC course landing page 3 is the winner. With that one simple click, I have changed everything. The coursework takes me where I want to go. I'll have to update that, but I still have all the modules and all the materials that I need with that one simple click. I'll ask you to go back to my previous video and make sure that you update the modules page using design tools to make sure that this coursework then populates this page with all of those important modules that you want.